How do you roll out a new policy and do it in an island environment?
Yeah, it's super simple. You simply leverage our management console. You build a core policy. Policy creation is a very simple process. Selecting things like, who's the source? Who are the people that you're going to be applying the policy to from our directory services? What type of device are they on? Looking at the types of devices they're on, like checking the posture of the device. What's the destination that you're going to be enforcing? What's the app on the other end you're going to be enforcing the policy over? What types of policies do you want to enforce? Like, you want to govern how they're going to be able to copy and paste or print content or save things. What type of logging should we engage in that process? Should we be looking for certain data loss indicators? Things like social security information or others. Should we redact data in a given page? You turn those types of policies on very simply through a few sets of knobs and switches, save the policy and push it down to the client base, and it applies to the users that are appropriate. So building an application of a policy is very easy. Deciding what to apply the policy over requires working with the appropriate teams in the org, depending on who the business line is that owns the app and the use case.
If I'm your customer and I run into a problem, where do I go?
Kind of when we talk about the deployment methodology, your sales engineer who works with you, they serve as not only your right hand in your deployment, but they also take your level one calls. They help you through that process. You build a solid relationship early, and you leverage that solid relationship late in that process too.